Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is an introduction video of how you can create a custom hand gesture object detection application in which you will be learning about the following features. That is, firstly, you will see how to create a custom dataset using your webcam. Then we will see how to train a custom object detection model using Tensorflow object detection, and finally we will be going to create an application for predicting the results either by uploading the image or by the live webcam capture. So let's meet in the next video by implementing the features one by one. Until then, you can watch the whole working of this application, whose video will be available in the description. Thank you and kindly like, share, subscribe to my channel